Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the GOHDLAMP LED refrigerator light bulbs. We're going to open them up, show you what they look like, test them out, and of course let you know whether or not they're worth buying. So as we get this out of the box, note it is a 3-pack for starters. Show you what one looks like. What you'll notice is the size is similar to just about any table lamp or anything like that. It is your today's standard type of bulb where they're going to have like the plastic and then the bulb up top. So we'll go ahead and install it and show you what it looks like. Please note this version is going to be the 5000K color temperature. So just these are not dimmable. They can work in a refrigerator, table lamp, chandelier, spotlight, whatever you're looking for. So I put this into a regular lamp, and you can see it's not, this is a dimmable lamp. These are non-dimmable bulbs. That's why it kind of flashed like it did. But I also want to just give you some perspective on how it's lighting. So it does a really nice job, believe it or not, of lighting up, even though it's a small bulb. And again, compared to the bulb that I usually leave in there, does a really nice job. So definitely worth buying, whether you're using it for a fridge, regular lamp, or whatever. Super high quality and definitely worth it. So hope this review helped. Thanks for watching.